about my pet. So nಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಖತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. We are all dog lovers. Even my mom, dad, my spouse, we all love dogs. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡಾಗ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ we decided last year in 2020. So I wanted to share what are the things that we need to take care when we get the pet at the house, and ಏನೇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ what are the food that needs to be given, and also ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. I'm going to talk about all of these things, and also you can meet our pet Lucy here. So Lucy ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ವಿ because we all love her a lot. She is very friendly. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೇ ಬಂದ್ರು she like go on them and then talk to them nicely. Bite ಮಾಡೋದಂತೂ ದೂರದ ವಿಷಯ, never gonna happen. She is very friendly, that too with the kids. She loves to play with kids. Dogs again ಜಾಸ್ತಿ she like humans. Okay, so now ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ I'll talk about what are the foods that can be given to dogs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ, because market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ brands are available. We don't know what actually to pick, right? Whenever we go to shop also we get confused. ಯಾವ್ದು biscuits now we have to buy, or which pedigree we have to buy, pedigree, RC or NND. So many things are there, right? So I'm gonna give a review on what I have given to Lucy. It's purely based on my or Lucy's interest.
When we got Lucy home, she was 40 days old. We got her from Hunsur, Mysore hatra ide Hunsur anno place. They have a different kinds of breed as well. I provided the details in the description. Firstly, we visited the vet in Gokulam in Mysore to ensure the health condition and also if the Lucy needed any special attention. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೈಡೆಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೇ 1. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 1.5 kg ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 40 days, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಹರ್ ಏಜ್. ಸೊ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ 2 hours ವಿ ವರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ಸ್. Usually Royal Canin, it's RC ready-made food starter baratte. So we were soaking in the water, and then after 10-15 minutes after soaking in water we were giving that. And also we were giving an egg white every day. All this helped her to gain weight. We can train a puppy when they are of 2 months. We trained Lucy at home with her basic gestures.
Eat, Lucy, eat. Lucy, sit. Eat, Lucy. Eat.
I'm going to show with this biscuit. Lucy, stay. Stay. Lucy, eat. Oh, good girl.
Handshake. Handshake. Good girl. Good girl. Lucy is a very good girl. Lucy, high five. High five. Good girl. Good girl. Which one, Lucy? नहीं है. Which one, Lucy? Pakka? Are you sure?
Potty and peeing at a place that helps us not bother much later. Treats tumba help agate to train them. You can learn to train by visiting a YouTube channel, Furry Friend. The link is in the description. We celebrated Lucy's 3rd month birthday with some dog prepared cake items at home itself. She went trips with us to Sakleshpur, Goa, and I did a lot of research to find dog friendly resorts and restaurants. You can check about the complete restaurant and resorts details in my other videos. Links are provided here.
And also dogs are important banbitu toys. So we have got a lot of toys for her whenever she's small. So few of the toys I'll show you. See this one. It's almost 1 year in the it is still there. Every day she bites this. She loves this to play. Mostly tug of war she plays with this. And other, like, these are the ones. There's a few more. I'll just show it. And we've got, this is a pig actually, it was making a sound. There's no face now. Full Lucy kachi kachi there. There's a ball. So all these things, right, we got it from the pet shop. Almost 1 year and then we have got it. It's very good. The quality is really nice because their teeth are very strong. So bite mada ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನೇ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು they'll bite. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು these are really good ones. Always buy the toys from the pet shop only. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು 1 month, not even 1 month, 1 week ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಳ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. This is one of the treat which we give to Lucy. This is the other one, another snacks. This also she likes it. This is another snack. Usually we give this one for a training purpose. I'll just give little for now. So, idu training time al kotre they'll understand that this is something special, and she waits for this. So she listens to our commands. This is a meetup at Anbeto. I got this in Amazon. It was buy one get one free. These are small biscuits. She likes these biscuits. So mostly kottane irthe yavagadru. See Lucy. Idu milk made bones. It's very good for their teeth actually. Lucy, stand. Stand. Sit. Shake hand. Good. High five. High five. Lucy, tall, Lucy. Tall.
Lucy is around 11 months now and we feed her twice a day as per vet suggestion. Her diet is mostly consist of boiled vegetables, potato, sweet potato, carrot, beans and 2 boiled eggs. Also at times I add paneer and then few grams. She loves eating fruits, mostly banana and apple, and any seasonal fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, mango, or any other fruits.
I'll also show what are the items that we're gonna use. Mostly shower ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ which all are required, basic things ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I'll show you. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. when it was small puppy, right, ಅವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. And this is the brush which has 2 sides. This is very good. Mostly we give once or twice in a week shower ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And this is another shampoo which we use. You can see here it says tick free shampoo. So whenever ticks comes, right, because usually 2-3 months once dogs get ticks ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So whenever it comes we use this. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 15 minutes ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then you have to give the shower. This is the powder that we use, which is very good. Idu kuda helps for the ticks. So after shower ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ticks ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ alternative days use ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು vet has suggested. So mostly alternative days we use this. These are the combs that we use. Idu small puppy the ತಂದ್ವಿ, but still we can use it. The small hairs ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. And this is the other one. This one I got it in Amazon. It's really nice. Here we can see the 3 vaccinations which we gave when it was puppy. So we have to give like around 30 days of a gap. The 3 vaccinations needs to be given. And also we need to give a deworming tablet every 3 months once. Thank you everyone for watching. In another questions, doubts, please put it in the comments. I'll try to make another video in detail to talk about the whatever the items that we use for dogs. Okay, and one more thing, Lucy was 11 months, so 11 and a half months actually. So in few days she will be completing 1 year. So we are throwing a party for 1 year birthday. So we have got a lot of accessories and then the balloons and everything. So I'll be making the complete video of Lucy's first year birthday. Please do watch and also like and subscribe the channel. Hello, yaar. As of now, we're gonna sign off, Lucy. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.